Hi folks, how we doing? Welcome to another video. So I sort of decided to do like a weekly vlog sort of thing. Basically a roundup of what I've been doing, you know, sort of plans for moving forwards, although fucking plans always change. I never ever stick to fucking plans, you know I don't even know why I fucking say shit half the time because it never fucking happens. As you just heard Michelle fucking giggling in the background. So, yeah, so just do a weekly roundup. Plus, not only that, I was doing sort of like the workshop updates, but now I'm starting to do some proper work, paid work. You know, it's sort of on the back burner, and I'm more pottering around with things rather than sort of like spending a whole day doing it. You know, it's like, oh shit, I need to crack on, get that little bit done, so I'll do that, and then sort of carry on doing something else, if that makes sense. So, I will do, like I said, excuse me. Like I said in them videos, you know, I will do a full update when it's done, and I'll do a walkthrough and how much things have cost, but, you know, that's going to be actually like a couple of months down the fucking road now. So, yeah, today, I actually started this yesterday, well, the vlog idea, and it was shit, to be honest with you. It was so fucking hot yesterday, you know, I was walking around with a t-shirt, I thought I was sweating, I achieved almost nothing. To be quite honest, I did a little bit tidying up out the back and that was about it. So today it's colder and it's pissing it down, as you can probably hear from the fucking rain on the roof.
10 degrees colder.
It's 10 degrees colder apparently. So yeah, hopefully we should have a bit more progress today. So let me give you a quick walk around of the workshop and show you where we're at the minute. So over this side, not much has changed. It's still pretty much a shitter. I've been organising this shelf a little bit. Again, it's just pottering around. I've got a box of stuff here that I need to get on the shelf. This still needs sorting. This is what I actually plan on doing today. I want to sort of cut this down. I haven't got the wood here for it, but I need to put a centre brace in, and then I need to cut it down so it's the same as the toolboxes. You know, with the Mini there's plenty of room, but anything bigger, it gets a little bit tight, so I want to cut that down. I welded up that little corner on that the other day. There's a lot of pictures on Instagram and Facebook, but I'm still editing the video on that, so that'll be up. That's one of the reasons why I'm doing the weekly update as well, you know, because it takes time to fucking edit videos. So if I do a weekly update, then you know where I'm at, and then you'll see exactly how I've done things later on. So we have tidied up a little bit, although there's a load of scrap there that needs to be sorted. Put some wood on this rack in so I can try and sort some shit out. It's like that's going to be like the wood storage, you know, because Michelle always uses just random lumps of wood. I use random lumps of wood, you know, so we got somewhere for all of that shit out of the way. My car is just a table for a little while. You've seen the workbench video. Well, hopefully you've seen a workbench video. If you haven't, I'll put a link at the top somewhere. Yeah, things are now underneath it. You know, stuff's getting moved around, but you know, things have places. I've sorted this bench out. This was all wobbly. You know, that's now sorted out. Got my consumables in there, all sorted out, and then you know, I put this gang thing here, so all my chargers, and then there's going to be there's a belt sander in there that's in pieces. There will be a video of this all getting sorted out, and then obviously a little bench grinder. So yeah, this is sort of tidier in a working area. I've got a load of shit in there that needs sorting out, but I need to put another shelf in here, which I need to make. And then that all needs sorting and organising. So we built Michelle a workstation. Still got to sort the electrics out in here. We got lighting, but I need to put a plug socket over there for the fridge, and then come around here. So she's just running off an extension here in a minute, but she has a proper workstation and she's happy, or as happy as the fucking miserable cunt can be. I'm running quick. Got this up on axle stands. Chap's going to come and collect the wheels today because he wants to sell them. Because of COVID, you know, he's lost a little bit of work, plus he had a massive car accident, so he's going to sell these wheels and put the original ones back on it at some point. And then I need to get this on the spits at some point. So as you can see, the booth area is relatively tidy. So yeah, lots of things going on. I've wrote a list of what needs to be done. Whether I get it all done today or not, probably I won't, almost guaranteed. So yeah, that's my list for today, and then we'll see how far we get. I forgot to mention, yesterday the new seals for this arrived, so I can actually crack on and get this done. So the original seals I had, or bought for it, only come to there, but because, oh shit, I put myself caught up on fucking plastic. Because of like shit like this and dodgy repairs down here, I had to get some full seals, so I've been waiting for them to come in. So now I can crack on with this and get the floor done. You know, I've got the floor pans for it, but I couldn't get them in until, you know, everything else, because this bit needs rebuilding, this bit needs sorting out. Yeah, it's a jigsaw puzzle that you have to do in certain places. So I needed to make sure I've got them seals in, so I'm going to cut all of this out. I'm going to put some extra bracing in, and I'm literally just going to cut the whole fucking lot out and then just rebuild it slowly. So yeah, good times. So the first job I'm going to tackle today is Michelle wants a stand for this, so it sort of stands up. She wants a rustic little sort of A-frame sort of deal, nothing too complicated. So I'm just going to use a bit of rebar that I've got lying around. It's probably a little bit thicker than you'd really want, but yeah, just going to sort of quickly, yeah, just throw something together for her. So that's what I come up with. Took a bit longer than planned. This is stainless, so working it's a pain in the ass. Plus it retains heat so much so. But yeah, nice simple, and then destroy it. Just sits on there nice like that. Yeah, she deliberately wanted the top coming out. So yeah, all I've got to do now is just give it a quick coat of paint. Well, I'll do that and then we'll move on to the next job. So next job is I want to make a shelf for this. I do actually have a shelf already, but same as this one, I had to chop it down because it come out of a different cupboard and they're just too wide. So that's the shelf. It literally needs to come off like 10mm, which is so fucking annoying, but then it needs to still have this roll for strength. So just hacked up this bit of angle, so that will slip in there. So the idea is we're going to literally rip that off, clamp that in, and then bend it round, and then we can fit that into the cupboard. So that's that fucking job done, and what a fucking ball ache that was. So the problem with these fucking shelves is the metal is really hard. I had to sort of heat that up to then smash it round, and it's not very neat. I don't really give a shit. It's a shelf in my cupboard. Then I went through and I've actually organised everything so it's where it's supposed to be. I've also put some riv nuts in my doors. So we've got the Schutz on one side, we've got the mask the other, and then we can just close the doors on it and then forget about it. I now have my box back. I need to clean it out, but I have my box back, which means I can actually start stripping some of that off, some of the bright work off. I need to get some more of these, but I had no money. So as you can see, we have had a tidy up. Yeah, we've had quite a big tidy up. You know, everything's away, ready for next week. Everything's been swept. It may not look like we've done a lot today, but you know, this chap turned up. He collected his wheels, collected his engine. The engine was at the back of the other unit, so it took a while to dig that out, and then you know we were chatting here for a while because he hasn't been down there before. So yeah, all tidy here. That's the shit. So I still need to sort this bench out, and I'll sort all of that out once the bench is sorted out. So yeah, it's a clean and tidy workshop. That's about it, and we're ready for next week. So that's it for this video. Yeah, like I said, you know, it doesn't seem like we've done a lot today, but we have. You know, I mean, just tidying up, getting everything in places where it's supposed to be, or finding places for things to be. The problem with a new workshop is you spend a lot of time seemingly tidying up, but until you've worked out where everything lives, all you're doing is just moving shit around. And we're slowly getting there, and it's looking a lot tidier. Yeah, so I mean, I did spend quite a while with that customer, you know, just sort of making sure he was happy with what we're doing. And it's been a while since I've touched it. It's been probably 2 years since I've touched it, you know, with like losing like the original unit and then the small unit and then like having to wait for this. So, you know, I did spend a minute, you know, chatting to him and making sure everything was still okay. And then obviously I had to dig the old engine out, and so yeah, it's been one of them days, you know. I'll say it again, you know, it doesn't look like I've done a lot, but I haven't stopped at the same token either. So it is what it is. It's a weekly update, and yeah, I'm going to try and do these at the end of each week, whether it be a Saturday or Friday, and I'm going to try and do it like vlog style like this on the phone, so it's nice and quick and easy to upload. Sorry. So it should be, I should actually have this done tonight. If not, just drop in a comment, call me a fucking penis, whatever. One thing I do want to say, actually, quickly, I was talking to my brother earlier, and he says I swear too much. He was moaning that I swear too much in my videos, and I said to him, this is like, well, it's the way I talk. You know, if I've tried to not swear in my videos, and then I just sound wooden because I've constantly got to think about what I'm doing. So I will put it up to you. If you want me to slow down my swearing, not slow down, calm down my swearing, you know, drop a comment. If you don't give a shit, just give me a thumbs up. So, yeah, please check out my friends in the description box below. Especially check out Michelle, because I'll get moaned at if you don't. Plus, she's taking up half of my kitchen, so she needs to start paying rent. So please go check out her page and buy some shit. Death stare is going on. Don't buy shit. It's fine. Don't buy shit. I was trying to help her out. She gives me death stare. Don't buy shit. I don't give a fuck. So please buy shit. You do need help. You need a lot of help. Oh, for fuck's sake. Yeah, check out friends in the description box. Please check out my merchandise store, you know, see if you can help me out. Subscribe, like, do all the things, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye.